Good morning everyone, I am Harish. Today our topic is APP. APP means Automatic Payment Program. It is one of the most important configuration in SAP FICO. So with the help of this APP, we can clear huge amount of invoices in a single time, and it will pick due and overdue invoices for the first, and it will clear. And there are two runs in APP program, that is the proposal run and payment run. In proposal run, there are some inputs we need to give, like identification, date, vendor details, and some more inputs we need to give. Then it will clear, and the scenarios used in APP program, like first when vendor is the customer and cash discount, partial clearing, foreign invoices clearing, and down payment clearing. And coming to the configuration part, and first of all, T code of APP is FPZP.
Oh, we'll in the panel of the next.
A very good morning, everyone. My name is OS Nasreen, and today's topic of discussion is Automatic Payment Program, which is mostly referred as APP. Automatic Payment Program is a tool generally used by the users to make the transactions in a single go. Generally, we create the invoices and make their payments or clear them in various situations. By using this APP program, we generally clear all our invoices in a single time or a single go. There are various scenarios which are referred in APP program. The various scenarios are when the vendor is also a customer, and clearing, cash discount clearing, down payment clearing, foreign invoices, intercompany clearing. These are the various scenarios which are listed in APP. And coming to the various configurations, the configurations which we have to perform in these APP program are all company codes, payment company codes, payment methods in the country, payment methods in the company code, house banks, and bank determination. These are the various configurations. Coming to the runs which are performed in APP program, there are two types, that is the proposal run and the payment run. In the proposal run, we generally check what are the invoices which are overdue or which are due. Generally in this APP program, we check what are the invoices which are due and then make their payments. So in this proposal run, we firstly check what are the invoices which are due or overdue, and then coming to the payment run, we clear all the invoices which are overdue. This is the process followed. And when coming to the errors, in both the runs, we may incur the error and we have to clear all those errors. Thank you.
Good morning all. So I am Lokesh. Today I want to discuss about APP. APP means Automatic Payment Program. The T code is FPZP. So it is called duty of SAP. So coming to our scenarios. First one, customer is a vendor is a customer, and the second one what is that? Intercompany. And the next one is also cash discount clearing, and the next one is also payment discount clearing, and the next one is also foreign invoice clearing, next one also partial clearing. And coming to our configurations. Configurations means like all company codes as usual, paying country code, and as usual payment method of country, and next one payment method of company code, and the third one is also determination, and the last one is also house banks. Okay, and next one coming to two runs, proposal run, and second one is payment run. Proposal means we can due or overdue also, and we can check it in errors in payment errors, payment run errors. Okay, thank you.
Okay.